All right, guys, so this is our Dragon Time activity for this week. It is the West Africa Geography VFT, or a virtual field trip. I know. Keep complaining we don't get to go to field trips, and we're doing one with Google Earth. So we're going to read each slide and follow the directions on each slide. The activity is going to take you to Google Earth to view various areas of West Africa and give you links to videos to deepen your understanding of the area. Some of the slides have questions to answer, some of the slides have you dragging things onto a map, and some slides have nothing on them except for information. All right, when you're totally finished with this activity, you're going to turn it in and work on any missing work you have for class. So obviously we're going to open it up. And the very first thing we're going to see is West Africa Geography Virtual Field Trip. All right, what to expect? Are you ready for a virtual field trip to explore West Africa? You will travel and tour geographic locations using Google Earth. Make sure you're using Chrome as your browser. It's the only browser you guys have on your Chromebooks. If you're using a tablet or a smartphone, you need to download the Google Earth app. 99% of you are using your Chromebook. It'll be fine. Those of you that are using your own computer or your own tablet, make sure you're using Chrome. Okay. So we're going to launch Google Earth by clicking the link. Using the search bar, we're going to type the name of DMS, or Dixon Middle School, and this is our starting location. And then using the search bar, we're going to type West Africa. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click Explore Google Earth. Now, if this doesn't work for any reason, let myself or Mrs. Romine know so that we can get it figured out. It won't let me hide the bar. There we go. Wasn't letting me hide the bar. Okay. So, projects and everything. Add place mark, draw line or shape. So what we're going to do is we're immediately going to type Dixon Middle School. We're going to zoom in. Woo! Zoom. Hey, look, Google Earth. It's our school. Okay, look. Woohoo! All right, so this is where we're starting. All right. Then next up, we're going to go West Africa. Region in Africa. Then we are zooming out. Zooming way out. Boom! Okay, so now we're over to West Africa. All right, and then we have some questions here. What do you know about West Africa? What questions do you have about the geography? What are you wondering about? Well, take a look at it. Figure stuff out on your own. Woo! If you move that, you can see the coordinates. That's cool. I haven't messed with Google Earth that much before. All right, and then you have more information. Regions of Africa, you're going to have to drag and drop the labels onto the area. As you can see, you already have a key here, so that'll be easy enough to do. And then you're going to read the map. This is a map of modern day Africa. Locate the following places on a map and label them with a colored star. Well, they're already labeled on here, so that should be pretty easy. All right, ancient African kingdoms. Use this map as well as what you know about the regions of Africa to determine if the statements are true or false. So you could type T or F in the boxes there. You may need to zoom in on the map in order to do that. Remember to zoom in. You have the zoom button there. And if you just click, like if we zoom to 100, boom, much easier. Then you click back to select and you can do that there. Okay. The Empire of Ghana is located in West Africa. Okay. Well, look, Empire of Ghana. That's West. So yeah. The Great Zimbabwe Empire was part of Northern Africa. Well, that's false because that's south. Okay. Yeah, so on and so forth. And then on the next slide, you have a climate map. All right, this is a Copenhagen climate classification map of Africa. It's showing you what the climate is in each area. you're going to use the map key to help you describe the climate of West Africa. So as you can see, you've got your climate chart here, lots of different colors representing different things, and you're going to explain the climate of West Africa. Now, when we say West Africa, we mean this portion right here. This portion right here. This part that's kind of jutting out, like this part that's kind of jutting out. This is West Africa. Okay, you're going to type your response where it says type response here. All right, and then we have stop 1, the Sahara. I'm going to zoom back up. All right, and then if we click on view, we open it back up. If you notice, it takes us into the Sahara Desert. You can drag around. If you click and you move, you can go up, you can go down. Okay, you can see the Sahara Desert. And you can see a trail in the Sahara Desert. You can see a person standing in the Sahara Desert. Okay. Look around. Click on that. Look around again. It's loading. Again, if there's any issues loading Google Earth on the Chromebook, let us know. All right, it's telling us who took the pictures. All right, we have people traveling. They're carrying a ton of water because it's hot. All right, so once you're done, it looks like once you're done with every slide, you can close out of the Google Earth tab that you had open. And then if you notice, there's going to be some videos as well. Okay, you are going to have advertisements on them. Thankfully, you can skip. Have the closed captioning on. That way you can watch it muted. But look at that huge salt mine. Okay. And then you have some questions. Record at least 4 details from your observations of the Sahara. So, like, it looks really hot. I'm not seeing any plants. And then from the video, describe the process of transporting salt slabs across the Sahara. So obviously you're going to need to watch the video to answer that question. All right, and then it goes the same route for the Niger River. Name the modern day countries that the Niger River passes through from west to east. So from west to east. Okay. And then the Niger River. The Niger River again. We have another Google Earth view. We have some questions here. The Gulf of Guinea. The Gulf of Guinea lies in the intersection of the equator and the prime meridian, which means it is what? So for this one, you're going to want to zoom in to where the star is. All right, so if it lies at the intersection of the equator and the prime meridian, you're going to look at the degrees here and the degrees here. So this is the latitude. All right, so latitude is going up and down. Think of it like a movie theater. So when you're going to find the perfect seats in a movie theater, you're going to go up the stairs or down the stairs to find the perfect row. And then you're going to go across to find the perfect seats in the row. So you're going up the stairs, you're doing latitude. You're going across the row, you're going longitude. All right, latitude. You open your mouth really wide for latitude. And then longitude. You're kind of widening your mouth a bit for longitude. That's the way I learned it. But the movie theater one works way better. And then again, Gulf of Guinea. The Gulf of Guinea, again, we have another Google Earth opening. All right, Daejeon. We have a video for Daejeon. Okay. Again, subtitles, theater mode. Very small video, but it still does work. Theater mode again, just for those. Closing out of those. All right. All right, so we're going to locate Daejeon on a map, drag and drop the star. It's right there. We have some questions again from the video. Both of these are from the video. Then we have Timbuktu, again, another video. All right, again, closed captioning on so you don't have to have the noise. All right, locate Timbuktu, another video, the hidden treasures of Timbuktu. Hi, Grammarly. Thanks, Grammarly. Okay, oh, it's TED-ed, that's good. This one's a little bit longer, but it's okay. If you have your closed captions on, it should be fine. It's animated, so that's nice. Okay, and then you have questions again from the videos. Does any new information you learned challenge your or support your prior knowledge of Timbuktu? Describe what you learned. We haven't talked about Timbuktu yet. Okay, so the most you'll know is from your vocabulary or from the map activity. So you're not going to know much. So you're going to be learning a lot. And then a reflection piece. Go back to the questions you asked at the start of the virtual field trip, which is going to be on slide. Those questions are going to be on slide 4. What answers did you have? What answers did you find? What new questions do you have? And what did you learn? And how did you learn it? So did you learn it through the videos? Did you learn it through the readings? Did you learn it through the Google Earth traveling around? That sort of thing. All right, and when you're done, you're going to hit turn in and then work on any work you have for any of your classes. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day. I'll see you later.